Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Linux on your laptop or PC, on Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So we'll download Linux as the virtual platform, as the virtual operation system. To do this, you will need to have the software that allows you to have the virtual operation system on your main PC. I will use VirtualBox, so you will need to download the VirtualBox. So just simply type in the search bar virtualbox.org and go to their website. Click on the download right here, and as for me, I use Mac OS, so I'll need to choose here Mac OS Apple Silicon or Intel hosts. If you are using Windows, you will need to choose here Windows hosts and download the application. As you can see, I already downloaded it. Here it is, and I already have here some of my virtual operation systems, for example Kali Linux and Ubuntu. So basically I'll show you now how to also download them here and use. Now we will need to download the ISO image of Linux. So for example, I want to download Ubuntu Linux, so I will need to type here Ubuntu download and go to the first website. Here I will be prompted to choose either I want to download Intel or AMD architecture or ARM. If I'm using Mac OS, so I will download the second option here. If you are using Windows PCs, etc., you will need to choose the first option. So once you downloaded this ISO image of the Linux, you will need to go to the VirtualBox, and here you will need to click on the machine in the top left corner. On Windows the interface is slightly different, but the steps are the same. So now we will need to click on the new, find the exact same buttons on Windows, and then here we can just set the name for our machine and choose the ISO image. So click on this button, and if you don't see the ISO image right here, as you can see, here are my two images that I used. You will need to click on the other and find it in your folders. But basically you can just select it, for example this one, and it will automatically set the OS, distribution, version, etc., and then click on the finish button. But I won't do that because I already have this Ubuntu right here. So now once everything is done, all you have to do is to click on the settings and check the properties of your operation system. So you'll need to have not less than 4 GB of RAM for this operation system, because if you will set less, it will work very poorly, it will be lagging, etc. So I recommend you to set not less than this value, and basically that is it. That is all in the settings. Now click OK. And now all you have to do is to simply click on the start button, and the virtual machine will be launched right now. As you can see, here it is, starting the virtual machine, and now you can use your Linux operation system inside your PC. And that is how you can download and install Linux operation system. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.